guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the Halloween week. For today's look, I'm here with this floral goddess makeup look. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this video, and if you want to know how to get this makeup look like it, then please keep on watching.
For this look, I have already done the base and brows off camera, and for the inner part of my brows, I am taking a light lilac shadow from the Smart Shopping Non Brand 2 palette. Here I am curving out my brows with some concealer. And I'm also setting my eyelids with a translucent powder. Going back to that same lilac shade, I'm going to apply it on my crease all the way from my inner corners up to my outer corners. Now I'm taking a darker purple and I'm applying it underneath that previous light lilac shade. And to blend out the edges, I'm taking a hot pink. Now to highlight my brow bone, I am taking a golden shimmery eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now taking a bright orange color, I am applying it on the inner sockets of my eyes and blending it into my nose contour. With some concealer, I am going to create a cut crease. Now for the lid shade, I am taking a shimmery turquoise shadow from that same Jaclyn Hill palette. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I am taking a bright yellow shade from that same Smart Shopping palette. For my lower lash line, I am taking a matte turquoise shadow. And on my waterline, first I am applying a white eyeliner, and then on top I am going back to that same hot pink color and I am packing that on top of that white eyeliner. For my mascara, I am taking the W7 Extra mascara. For my inner corners, I am applying a little bit of the Stila Magnificent Metals Liquid Glitters, and this is in the shade Diamond Dust. For contouring my face, I am taking that same lilac shadow that we use as our transition shade. Going back to that same hot pink, I am blending out the edges. And I'm kind of doing the same thing on my neck. For my highlighter, I'm taking the Kylie loose highlighter in the shade Fiji. I'm applying it on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and nose bridge. Now I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus only on the highest points of my face. Then on top, before the setting spray dries, I'm applying a lilac glitter. And I'm also applying that same glitter on my neck. Here I'm highlighting my collarbones with the same Kylie highlighter. And now on the sides of my face, I'm randomly going to apply some flowers. These are basically some artificial flowers from the local supermarket. Now for lashes, I have taken the Lola Cosmetics Foxy lashes. For the lipstick, first on the inner part, I am applying a pinkish nude lipstick. And I am also lining the edges just to add some definition. And then going back to that same Stila glitter, I'm applying it all over the lips.
And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!